Hello and welcome to FoMoney. In this video, I will show you how you can send money to Brazil step by step. First, you have to select the country. Then start a transfer. Fill in the amount of money you want to send to Brazil. Then you have to create a new account or log in to your FoMoney account. Now you have to fill in all the required information about the recipient. To pay for your transfer, you can choose between 3 different payment options. You can also get a discount by using a promotion code. Accept the terms and conditions and click Checkout. You have now completed your transfer to Brazil. All that's left to do is to pay for the transfer. We will contact you via email as soon as your money is on its way. Thank you for watching.